What's up everyone, Michael Ruttle, immigration attorney here. If you are applying for a green card or immigrant visa to the United States, you might hear the phrase Visa Bulletin used pretty often by your lawyer. It can be very confusing and people are not often sure how it works, but don't worry because I'm going to give you the basics, so it should all make a little bit more sense. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to get updates on how US immigration laws affect everyone, or visit ruttlelaw.com to book an online consultation today. The Visa Bulletin is published by the US State Department specifically for immigration purposes. It's available online and at the link in the comments below. The main goal of the Visa Bulletin is to provide the general public with an updated waiting list for immigrants who are subject to the quota system, which includes almost everyone except, say, spouses of US citizens or certain refugee categories. Those categories have no limits. If your visa category requires a waiting list, then only a certain number of visas become available every year. For example, there are about 65,000 visas available for adult brothers and sisters of US citizens. If the number of applicants in a year is more than the number of available visa numbers, then those applicants are placed in a queue and are given what's called a priority date. Your priority date essentially estimates when you would get your visa based on the number of previous applicants in the queue. The Visa Bulletin is normally released the second or third week of each month, but not always around the same exact day. Priority dates are broken down into the following categories. You have family-sponsored immigrants like adult children or siblings. You also have employment-based immigrants like extraordinary ability, EB-1, or national interest waivers, or EB-5 investors. There's also a separate distinction for certain countries like China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines, which have longer backlogs than most other countries. In looking at your category in the table, if you see the letter C, that means current. In other words, visa numbers are available for all qualified applicants in that category, and you can file for, say, adjustment of status or for an immigrant visa through the National Visa Center. If you see a date listed in your category, then visa numbers are only available for applicants whose priority date is earlier than that cutoff date that is listed in the table. You might ask yourself, what if my priority date isn't current? Then, unfortunately, you probably have to wait. If the Visa Bulletin shows that your category is backlogged and you don't know what to do, then call an immigration attorney right away. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm attorney Michael Ruttle. Keep climbing that mountain.